Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a two-story residential property disposed of a gross floor area of 5,673 square feet. The layout is as follows. Basement contains two storage areas. The ground floor can be used to generate income as it comprises of two bedrooms, one bathroom, one powder room, a kitchen, a dining room, living room, two verandas, family room, two laundry rooms, and a double car garage. The first floor comprises of two bedrooms with closets, a master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and jacuzzi, shower stall and other sanitary convenience, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, entry foyer, and a back porch. Property is located close proximity to other desirable neighborhoods, such as Mandeville and Melrose Meadows. There are bearing fruit trees to include Julie mango, breadfruit, ackee, naseberry, and avocado on the 15,668 square feet property. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 49.9 million or US $324.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.